Current methods to manufacture soft robots are tedious, requiring multiple manual steps that can affect the consistency and actuator quality. We present to you a novel soft robotics 3D printing technology that allows highly customizable soft robot design and single-step consistent soft robot manufacturing. Our technology produces soft fluidic actuators that are flexible, compliant, and low cost. We can 3D print soft grippers that can be used in assembly lines to manipulate delicate, odd-shaped objects like microelectronics and glassware. This is useful for companies that spend high labor costs on assembling these objects, which are difficult to automate using traditional manipulators. That's not all. Picking up store items, groceries and the likes, the soft grippers are highly advantageous. We can also 3D print soft wearable rehabilitation robots to fit every patient. And they can provide safe robot-assisted therapy exercises, for instance, to the patient's hand or wrist. So let us know how our soft robotics 3D printing technology can solve your problem.